Marina Protocol used its community to build hype and now act blind after the Bay token launch. Not even a word of transparency. Your greed. Stop scamming your own community. MEGFS is saying, not like you are the first to pull this stunt. Well played. And with this funny picture, man, this is heartbreaking. Marina Protocol has let the community down. Why would you play with so much time and effort like that? This is all madness. You gave community that helped you build the system for 3 years something less than 2, 3, 4, and you are giving people that don't even know about you 400 back. This is pure scam, and this project is going nowhere. Abdul Basit is saying, we got 100 points in 2 years, they got 400 in 1 minute. Azubike is saying, I guess the community were used. Yes, Azubike, they used the community. I've been watching ads diligently on the Marina app, but what's going on? Freezer, shit is going on. Isaac Abi is saying, I can't withdraw my own and I've been mining the project more than 2 years now. Therefore, I need assistance, please. Isaac Abi, these guys are not ready to help anybody. Suja07 is saying, why aren't you giving rewards to users? Rewarding users for 2 years of hard work. Give them compensation for their hard work. Suja, these guys are not ready to compensate anybody. Avidika is saying, after watching ads diligently for a long time on the Marina app, how did they launch without the community? David, this guy doesn't send anybody. Marina Protocol was listed on Binance Alpha, also on Bitget and some other exchanges. But the big question is that what is the fate of miners? Why are they not allowing the miners to also claim their airdrop for trading? Hey Surfers, thank you for your amazing support. With over 1.3 million users in 200 plus countries. That is crazy, guys. These guys have a very huge community. Imagine, we are now preparing to expand towards 10 million users. But wait, before you start this expansion, have you rewarded the 1.3 million users at all? The answer is no. Your engagement now matters more than ever. Don't go there, guys. That means our previous commitment and engagement doesn't matter. Our 3 years engagement and commitment doesn't matter. No, this is not fair at all. They don't have plan for the airdrop hunters at all. He is a trash man. Idris Abdullah is saying, please people, don't forget to uninstall this scam. Pocrypt is saying, future value, see tactics and formation. 442. Pocrypt, are you talking about football selection or you are talking about Marina Protocol? The Precious is saying, congratulations for your healthy community engagement. We watch ads more than 2 years, which you made revenue from. Now it's time for us to also get what you have suffered and invested in from you. This is the only time to know who to reward. You will fail. Jumape Crypt is saying, very bad. So this is how you thank people for amazing support since 2 years. Really thought you guys could do better, but no problem. I doubt this token price will be stable as you think. Future will tell us. Ishaq Ahmad Khan is saying, here we go. Community have the power. Time to show the power. We have the option, yes, to uninstall. Lucky Osayan is saying, I have seen this playbook before. Trust me, the aftermath was a disaster. After almost 2 years of forcefully watching ads on your apps. With this funny picture here. So guys, this just shows that these people are not rating the airdrop hunters well. They will promise heaven and earth just for you to keep on mining the token and them getting engagement from your activities. But when it is time for them to reward the community, they just do opposite of what they have promised. This is bad. Your community deserves better. I'm just speechless.